Hello, Glossies. Guess what I have? It is the September Glossybox. It's here. I can't wait to show this one to you. It's a beauty. This is called the Pure Relaxation Glossybox. This one was sent to me as a gift from Glossybox. Wanted to disclose that right up front. And of course, we do have a discount code for you if you would like to save a little bit of money on your first box. Use the code SHERRY16 and you'll get your first box for just $16. And of course, there is a link in the description for you to check out. So let's find out what's inside. As always, Glossybox boxes, I should say, are always filled with about $75 minimum of products. So it's always an incredible value. They're also extremely giftable. I mean, look at this. Look at how this is packaged. Let me just show you a first look. Of course, we have the little brochures that I'll take off, but it's so pretty. It looks like a ballet slipper wrapped in a bow. I just love this. So, are you ready to check it out? Let's go ahead and delicately take everything out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out first this time because the last time I did an unboxing, I found that I was making so much of this noise, like I am right now, with the paper, that I just want to get that paper out of the way so that we're sparing you. Also, I know it's silly, but I love reusing these ribbons. So hold on to this gorgeous black ribbon and this pretty black stuffing because these are something that you can reuse during gift season or just for hostess gifts. Okay, you ready to see all 5 of the items? I think there's even a little bonus item in here. We'll find out. We'll see if there's anything in here. Our first item is the David's Natural Toothpaste. This is a whitening and anti-plaque toothpaste worth $4.95. I love natural toothpaste. Here is the size on this. This would be excellent for travel, coming in at 1.75 ounces. So that is really, really nice. Very unique. I like getting toothpaste in my beauty boxes because I feel like they're a necessity. They're something you're always going to run out of. You're always going to need. So for me, that's a value add. Okay. Next up, another really practical item. This one is called the This Works Stress Check Clean Hands. This is about 2 ounces and this travel size is worth $6. Let's see what this smells like. Wow. That smells incredible. Oh my goodness sakes. It smells very, very herby, kind of like lavender and rosemary. Just lovely. Much better than your usual alcohol gels, let me tell you right now. All right, next we have the Daily Concepts Hammam Mit. So this one actually could be used with another product that I'm about to show you inside of this box. This is actually meant to be used on your body. It can be used to exfoliate and cleanse, and you just pop it on your hand just like that, and you've got like a nice, easy exfoliating mint. This would be great before you're doing self-tanning, by the way. If you do your own self-tanner at home and you want to exfoliate so that you don't get all that smearing and all that bumpiness, this would be a good way to go. All right, next up, we have a very high value item. Oh, by the way, the Hammam Mit, this was a $14 value, so before I move on, but next is the most high value item in this box, which, you are going to love hearing about this one. This is the DHC Astaxanthin Collagen All-in-One Gel. So what this is a lightweight facial moisturizer. I'm going to show you the package and I'm going to open the little encyclopedia that Glossybox sends because I really want to show you and tell you a little bit more about what this product does. But I'll give you an idea for the packaging, lift it up, and then you can kind of see the texture. It doesn't really look like a gel. It looks more like a cream texture. But let's read a little bit more about this because I think that as such a high value product in the box, I want to tell you what it's all about. All right, so it's a collagen all-in-one gel. This lightweight facial moisturizer tones, hydrates, and brightens skin in one step. It's powered by astaxanthin. I think that's how you say it. Astaxanthin, a natural antioxidant proven to be 6,000 times more effective than vitamin C and 550 times more powerful than vitamin E in eliminating free radicals that cause premature aging. And again, the MSRP on this is $49. This is wonderful. And if this isn't something that you could use for yourself, save it for the holidays and gift it, or show up at someone's home with a bottle of wine and this, it is an ultimate hostess gift. Okay, what's our last item today? Ooh, yay, I found it. Okay, this is what I was thinking would go nicely with the Hammam Mit that we showed you earlier. This is the Terre de Mars 008 shower gel, and this is valued at $23. Now this one's coming in at 5.07 fluid ounces, so you don't want to take this on an airplane in your carry-on bag. Not necessarily TSA friendly. That doesn't mean it's not travel friendly, just not TSA friendly. Oh, it smells so good. So this is nice. Again, totally giftable. In fact, this whole box, to be honest, would make an incredible gift for someone. And for just $16 to get all of this and maybe prepare for the holidays and for a little bit of gifting, this would make just such a wonderful thing to stock up on. Maybe grab a couple of the boxes and give them to coworkers, aunts, uncles, friends, people in your life who you don't know who to buy anything for. The value is just so incredible on these boxes. Okay, I've been really impressed with this. What else do I want to tell you? Oh, I know what it is I wanted to tell you. When I opened this, I noticed that Glossybox is starting to talk about their Advent that's coming this year. They have a Glossybox Advent calendar that comes with over $550 worth of product inside, and it's so fun to open it up and see what's inside every little kind of nook and cranny. It's like a grown-up advent calendar. So September 16th, it goes on sale. You're going to want to be ready for that. Speaking of good holiday gifts, this would be an excellent one as well. So keep an eye on that. It will have products in it from Glow Recipe, Elemis, and Victor and Rolf. And last year's 2020 Glossybox Advent Calendar was just spectacular. So I know that you're going to love this one. We hope that you've enjoyed all of these products from Glossybox this month. Let us know if you're already a subscriber or if you plan on using our discount code to get your first box using the info in the description below. Thank you all again for tuning in, and until next time, go do something beautiful.